Meron tayong baril ngayon. This is model M202. Usually ginagamit ng mga blue guards natin. Try natin ipaputok kung pwede ba pang self defense. 38 Special, Rock Island. Okay. Five rounds. Of course, you have to wear eye protection and earplug. Pwede. Pwede siyang pang self defense na kaya pagtanggol ng mga blue guards natin ang ganitong klaseng revolver. So guys, mag-ingat kayo. So while you're shooting, of course, wear your proper gear, eye protection and earplugs before firing.